on the Night Lane Stadium, baby. Let's go, go. Yeah. All right, let's go, baby. 1, 2, 3. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
We keep executing.
Play with great effort, and Dion, we're steady, just get out. You got me?
We got to finish, man.
Let's go.
Let's come out here and finish, man. Let's dominate. Finish on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Finish.
That's what I'm talking about right there. Hey,
Guys played well. Yeah, thank you. Hey, just
This game does not determine our season, man. Yeah, it sucks. It sucks we lost. We lost the game, man. Like Coach Beamer said, give credit to them, man. They came out and beat us. They beat us, man, but we cannot let this game affect the rest of our season, man. We still got a long way to go. Like Coach Beamer said, man, we are a good football team. You gotta believe that in your heart.